Trucks start arriving end of September and early October, and they'll start putting up the first floors. For some of the larger structures here on 17 and 16 and 18, they'll start that October 1st. You know, it's a 4-month build and a 2-month teardown. None of the structures are permanent. You know, with that, we're not allowed to have any permanent structures. All of this will go up and it'll all come right back down. You know, we're fortunate. We have a lot of tenured staff, guys that have been here 30 plus years. So don't have to do a lot of motivating. They kind of just ramp up naturally. It actually brings about kind of some energy with it. So there's really not a whole lot of motivating you have to do. It's just a lot of coordination. Our team consists of 55 individuals right now. We'll add another 35 professional superintendents from all over the world. So we'll have about 90 folks here that'll help us mow out all the surfaces and prep the golf course both morning and night during tournament week. So it's a huge help for us, big time. We had some pretty significant frost in early January, so we're gonna have to go back in and put some color and maybe some plant material back in. But yeah, it's really just putting in the final pieces here the last 4 days of advance week. John Deere offers a lot of support, both on the national and the local level. So we work very closely with our equipment suppliers, Stoats Equipment. There's a lot of things that happen kind of on the fly. Sometimes we'll change height of cuts, or we need something quick, we need a part. They're able to get it to us very quickly, and we appreciate that partnership very much. We have such large spectator mounds. The new 9009 rotary mower is fantastic for that, a lot of power. It's a big wide machine, so it can kind of float over all the moguls and take the hills pretty well. So that's a great machine that stands out. So, and this event showcases Arizona golf. So it's not just all about us, it's really about the state of Arizona and why golf is so popular here. It's a huge business. You know, it employs a lot of people across the state. And then if you really stop and think about it, this tournament, it's not just about the tournament, it's also about charity. That's really why we're here at the end of the day.